Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And friends, in our last video, friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, also do not forget to share the video with your family, friends, and relative friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how a famous scientist and a physicist escaped from a Soviet concentration camp. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how archaeologists and palynologists reconstructed Asian census. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friends, this is 136 number topic video, and the name of the topic is how archaeologists and palynologists reconstruct Asian scene. So, friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. These scientists know that their subconscious mind has a memory of everything that has ever transpired. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, these scientists completely know that their subconscious mind has a memory where everything is transpired, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As they study the ancient ruins and fossil, as they keep on studying this scientists ancient ruins and fossil, friends. Okay, through their imaginative perception, so these scientists study all these things through only their imaginative perception, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Their subconscious mind aids them in reconstructing ancient scene. So here, friends, author Joseph Murphy is telling their subconscious mind aids them in reconstructing the scene, friends. Okay, the dead past becomes alive, audible once more. So whichever past is completely dead, so it becomes alive once more, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Looking at these ancient temples and the studying the pottery statuary. So looking at the Asian temples, studying the pottery and the statuary, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Tools and household utensils of this ancient time. So tools, household utensils of the ancient time, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. The scientists tell us of an age when there was no language. So author Joseph Murphy is telling scientists tell us of an age where there was no language, friends. Okay, communication was done by grunts, groan, and sign. So author Joseph Murphy is telling communication was done by grunt, groan, and also the sign, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, I always say that Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic means this is not my word. These are all the words of author Joseph Murphy. So I admire him that he is telling us in this topic, friends. Okay, the keen concentration and disciplined imagination of the scientist awakens the latest power of his subconscious mind, enabling him to clothe the ancient temple with roofs. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling the keen imagination and the scientist's later power enables the subconscious to awaken the powers and the clothes of the ancient within the roofs, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic and surround them with gardens. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, and it also surround them with the garden, friends. Okay, pool and fountain, also the pool and also the fountain, friends. Okay, the fossil remains are clothed with eyes. The fossil which remains are always with the cloth with the eyes, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Sinew and muscles, and they again walk and talk. So sinew and the muscle, so again they walk and talk, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is sent to us in this topic. The past becomes the living present, and we live that in their mind. In mind there is no time or space. So past becomes the present, and in mind there is no past and present, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The past become living and present, and we find that there is no time or space. So basically it is found that there is no time or space, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Through discipline, control, and direct imagination, you can companion of the most scientific and the inspired thinkers of all the time. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling, through discipline, control, and also the direct imagination, we can companion the most scientific and the inspired thinkers of all the times, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called how archaeologists and paleontologists reconstructed ancient scene, this topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I'm going to cover the concept called how to receive guidance from your subconscious, this topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.